Are you looking to restore that new showroom look to your boat? Is waxing just not giving the results you were hoping for? Has the metal flake gone chalky and faded? We'll show you how to resurface Gelcoat again with a product at the end of this video. Rayplex would like to show you the secrets so you can learn how to sand and buff Gelcoat to get that new showroom shine again. Are you frustrated buying more products and not having them turn out as they say they're going to? Your boat still looks dull and faded after you've just spent $20? Rayplex would like to show you how professionally you can restore a Gelcoat finish to an aged and faded and chalky boat. If you stumble across a few nips and chips in your Gelcoat, now would be a good time to order a Rayplex Gelcoat repair kit and fix those problems now. Warning: if your boat's in the water and you're working on it with an electric buffer, make sure it's plugged in to a GFI or ground faulted circuit. I'd like to explain first how Gelcoat fades and ages and chalks. For illustration purposes, this is a new laminate. The gray area is the laminate and the blue area is the Gelcoat surface. The area between the two arrows is faded Gelcoat. The sun has bleached and leached all the pigments, fillers, and resin out of this matrix. Next, we have to remove this bleached, degraded area of Gelcoat by sanding it off and getting down to good, solid, new Gelcoat underneath it. First, you'll notice that the surface of this boat is very chalky. This is a good indicator that buffing and compounding is in order. So let's get to work. First, wash the surface with a wet rag, getting rid of all dirt and contaminants. For the next operation, you want to set your buffer for about 1500 RPMs, which some of them have an adjustable switch to control the speed. Many buffers today include a Velcro pad, which can also be used for holding the 3M discs. These pads, although not the best, will work on flat surfaces. You just have to use a lot of care. And we made up a special nut which allows us to attach the 3M buffing pads to the buffer. If you're really into a wavy surface, 3M makes a sponge pad that allows the sanding disc to float over the surface and follow the contour. Because of the heavy chalking, we're going to start with sanding the boat with a number 1000 grit disc from 3M. This will get rid of any oxidization and get this down to good Gelcoat. In this example, we're using an 8-inch double-sided buffing pad that uses a special adapter nut that allows you to mount it on either side of the pad. So you can use one side for fine and the other side for coarse. It simply screws in, and after you tighten it up, you turn around, take the pad, and put it onto the buffer. Next, apply the Raybuff number 100 compound using a strip system on a paintbrush. This is too slow. Let's put our buffer on steroids. Next, clean the buffing pad, and let's move along to the Raybuff number 200 fine compound. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of our labor. Here's the reflection of the boat parked in the dock next to this one. Looking back at it from another angle, here's the boat parked across the way and the reflection in the Gelcoat. One test or measurement we've used in the industry is to take a tape measure and turn it slightly off angle and see how deep you can read the numbers. Here we can read almost to the number 12. From buffing compound to special adapter nuts to backup pads, sanding discs, rubbing compound, and special 8-inch diameter pads. You can order these all online at www.rayplex.ca. Oh, I just about forgot. Metal flake. If your metal flake has gone chalky or milky and there's no shine left, here's a simple test. Take a wet rag and wipe the surface. If it looks shiny and new, then you could recoat this aged, degraded surface with Endura Clear 100 and add years and life to your boat, plus get a beautiful shine back. Hope you've enjoyed this video, so please subscribe. If you have any comments about this video or would like to suggest topics for future videos, drop us a line at www.fiberglass.com.